Hi everyone, subscribe. Today we're going to be reacting to WM Reacts to Explosion Compilation 10.
Alright,
here we go.
We are going to be reacting to Explosion Compilation 10. Here we go. Alright, oh yeah, subscribe everyone, now!
Okay, WM.
Anyways, let's go. Alright, why you just phone? Is that everybody do the Birdman? No! No! What the heck is happening? Everybody do the Birdman die. Oh my gosh!
This is very cool.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. What's happening?
Why are you
What's
saying
happening?
this crazy?
Oh my gosh! Why? No! No! Oh no! No! Oh no! Mean guy! Be alive! Mean guy! Who's that? Is that Snowman? No! Mean guy!
Die!
That was so sad because I saw Mean Guy die and everybody did the Birdman die.
No, it's not.
Well, I hope Explosion Compilation 11 is going to be better than the other ones.
Meme guys.
Anyways,
Well, guys, that was very cool. I hope you like WM's videos, and I hope the explosion compilation 14 is going to be or 11 maybe. But anyways, subscribe now.